Yo, what is up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, man. I just want to thank y'all for, watching my videos. I want to thank y'all for subscribing. I'm already at I think almost 1,210. From last time, I think I grew at least I don't know, maybe 20 to 30 subscribers. That's pretty good for, me not even, honestly, sometimes I don't have time to try, but sometimes I don't have time to create. Obviously, it's been a month since I last uploaded an update on the radio, same thing. I haven't really decided to pull the trigger yet because I don't see, too many good reviews on Amazon about with the radios like that, like the tablet style. But I don't want to spend so much. I'm kind of on a budget still. I want to do everything on a budget. And an update, I found these pretty dope seats, man. Some seats for the Skyline that I think I might pull the trigger on Amazon. And I just want to try a bunch of Amazon stuff out for the car. I feel like it'd be something different. It'd be something cool. And you can still do it on a budget. You don't have to splurge so much on, trying to get all these big brand names. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, it's whatever you like. And you guys should just follow your dreams at the end of the day. If you guys want to, spend a little bit of money, if you want to spend a lot of money, it's up to you. But it's whatever you envision in your head and that you want to accomplish. That's a dream of yours. Just do it. Doesn't matter how much you spend. It could be cheap. It could be a lot. It all depends on you. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into the channel and showing some love. And I've been getting a couple comments on there on the videos, and I truly appreciate that. And it means a lot to me. So if you guys haven't yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification. Because whenever I pop up, I pop up. Might be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I don't know, maybe a year. But I'm gonna try my best to continue making videos. I'm slowly getting comfortable with this. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. In this video, I want to talk about how you can afford, not say afford, I mean, yes, afford, but also achieve or getting your dream car. If it's it could be, honestly, it could be any car, but I'm gonna go straight into JDM stuff because I've always been into that. And I wish this platform existed when I bought my Skyline. I bought it a long time ago, and I had to buy it straight cash. I think I pulled out a little small loan, like a $5,000, just to cover some of the small stuff. But I made it happen. But now in today's, I should say today's generation, I don't know, but there's different platforms that you can do to buy your dream car. There's banks, there's loans, there's things that you can do to flip, make your life easier. Try to save up, either buy it cash or you can finance it. But there's a really good platform that I been keeping an eye on, and I've seen a lot of guys talk about it, and on the forums. And my cousin actually bought an Evo 9, I think, using this bank, and it gives you it gives you a loan to pretty much buy any car you want. And what I'm looking at in front of me, you can either, they can fund you for an auto loan, a kitchen remodeling or bathroom remodeling, debt consolidation, a swimming pool, medical bills, and then weddings. Maybe there's more, but I'm about to show you guys what I'm talking about, because maybe there's a lot of people out there that don't know about it, and I want to give you guys all the information I can, for then you guys can achieve getting that dream car of yours. And I might do the same thing. There's another car I want, but I'm not going to pull the trigger yet. But this is an option. It doesn't apply to everybody because it has a credit limit requirement. But if you have good credit, this is a I would say good credit. You don't have to have, you can't have bad credit, and you don't need excellent credit, but it's definitely an option. So let's get right into it. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna name three different ways on how to get this, but this might be the easiest way if you have good credit. But one way that you can do is obviously you can flip cars, or save up, eat eat at home. That's all I can say. Eat at home. Try your best to save money. Don't, whatever you want to buy, that's not a necessity, that's not a need, just don't buy it. Just put the money to the side. Just don't spend your money, just save it up. There's other things I've done, or I'm still doing Amazon FBA. That's a huge thing that a lot of people don't really know about, and it's all over, social media. It's all over YouTube. That's a really good way to make money, man. Like, you just gotta, you can flip stuff on there too. If you're smart enough, you can flip stuff using Facebook Marketplace, finding, things and selling them on Amazon. Even going to like Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Um, the outlets are really good. You can find things for discounted prices and then sell them for like double, sometimes triple on Amazon, using the Amazon platform as if you want to become an Amazon seller. And the good thing about it is sometimes for me, I use it as a saving. Like I'll spend the money to buy this stuff and then I'll flip it, and then the money will just, once someone buys it, it will stack up in your account, and then you won't get paid for it just yet. So it's kind of like it holds the money into place so that you don't have to splurge so much. But if you're smart, you won't touch it. You'll just let it stack up. Keep flipping everything, stack it up. Boom, you get a huge payout at the end, and that's something that's like very, very good. If you're smart with your money, you will do that. And it's very, very smart, especially if you're going that FBA route, which is you send everything to an Amazon warehouse where they tell you, and they do all the work. You just sit back on your computer, blah, 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 work from home, you run your numbers, just make sure you have an Excel sheet and see everything going in and out. And yeah, and that's how your money will grow on Amazon. So that's another thing, another big way to make hella money. Just, working from home and being smart, just going out on your daily and just going out and flipping stuff. So another way. But the last one is this one I'm about to show y'all. This thing could be key for a lot of people. So check this out and do your research whenever you try getting this. Do your research as well, just like everyone else would, especially if you're gonna get a loan out. You're gonna run your credit and everything, but it could be worth it for a lot of y'all. So alright guys, this is called LightStream. I'm gonna show you guys because a lot of people don't know about it, and like I mentioned before, my cousin used it, and there's a big huge plus about this. So this is ran by SunTrust Bank. I know a lot of people might not know it, but it's actually, what used to be a really big bank. It's still a decent sized bank. I know on the East Coast it is. So this platform lets you pull out loans like for, look right here, as y'all can see, they got stuff to remodel your home, just anything at home. Like if you want to purchase those solar panels for your house, you want to get stuff in the yard done, if you want to remodel your home. They do classic cars, they refinance, they do classic cars, used cars, new cars. You do debt consolidation, look, family stuff, recreation stuff. You want to get a boat, a motorcycle, and then anything else. But what we're focusing right now is auto. So what we're gonna do is like, we're gonna do kind of like a little fake, like a little mock-up basically. So let's go ahead, let's act like we're gonna buy let's just go with a Skyline R32 GTR in Japan. The good thing about this is, like, you say you get approved for it and you get the loan, you can actually get this, and then you don't have to, well, let's just do this. Say you buy like a car here, an R35, say it's used, you get one for like 40 grand. At the end of the day, when you get approved and you buy the car, you don't, normally the banks, they'll hold the titles. This bank, you keep the title. That's the best part about this, is that you get to keep everything. Like, you can sell it if you want. Sometimes when you have a bank, you got to deal with the bank, you got to sell the car, you got to wait till the title gets back. Some people don't want to deal with that. So in this, you can actually have the title on hand and keep it. That's like the biggest plus about this. So let's act like we're gonna buy a GTR. Let's go. Look, the interest might be a little bit higher, but if you're gonna buy a car, that's worth it. Why not? Let's go with this. Let's go with the individual. Let's say we found and let's say that we find a lot of guys want R34. So let's go with the R34 GTT. Guys are selling them for around 40 to 50K here. So let's go with the $40,000 loan. Boom, it tells you the rate right here. For $40,000, if you want to pay it off pretty fast in 3 years, 36 months, there's your payment at 1200, 48 months, 1,060, 72. And if you want to do the longest term, that's 84 months for $690. You can always refinance it with another bank if they allow you to refinance using that for that car specifically. But just take an example, like, are you willing to pay this for an R34? I think a lot of people would, let's be honest, like, unless you buy it straight cash. But You can always refinance it once you, like, say you pay like 10 grand, boom, it's only 30,000. You gotta refinance. It's gonna be cheaper on your monthly, payments. So this is a really good come up, for a lot of people that want to buy stuff. So even if you want to pull out a bigger loan and say you want to start flipping cars, this would be an ideal thing to do. You say you pull out, say if you got really good credit and you got money up front, boom, just pull out 100 grand, bring multiple cars from Japan for cheap, flip them here. It's a good way to hustle. This is a good, thing. I'm so glad I found this. I heard about it maybe like 2 years ago, and my cousin actually just used it a couple months ago for his Evo. So, and he loved it. He said once you get approved, you get your money within the next day or two, and that's clutch. Yeah, the interest rate might be a little bit higher, but it will be worth it. Trust me. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed that. I hope you guys will take some of this knowledge that I'm trying to share with you. You guys can apply this to achieve your dream car, because I know everyone wants their dream car, and I hope you guys can, use this platform. Make sure you have at least a 660 credit scores from what I'm seeing, but maybe higher. Maybe you might need a little bit higher, but I think 650, 660, you're in the ballpark. And then just start saving. Whenever oh, we got my little king over here. But yeah, just start saving, and this is the way. This could be the move for y'all. So if you guys didn't know about this, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys grab some knowledge, and hopefully I get to see y'all's build. Comment down below, your dream car. So I'm praying for y'all, and I hope you guys get that dream car you guys have always wanted. And stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna be popping real soon. So peace. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe.